Okay. So we are going to see consoles. Okay, power of console. Why we use console? Anyone? Why we use console? Why we use console? Why we use console? Console only used by the developers. Okay. For print, for print statement. Okay. To execute the code. Who is Shaukat? It's not for the execute the code. We just to see what's inside the variable or wanted to print any text. Okay. Display output in console. No. Who's this Realme? No, we don't use to display the output in a control. We just yeah, you can say we see the output in a console, but yeah, line a bar, okay, print on code, okay, yes, it's a print, it's a simple print, okay. So we see how many types of console we can use to debug our code or see our what we say the output properly, okay. So it's a single line text, multiple line text together, single variable, multiple variable, okay. So we see one by one in, okay. Okay, just let's just jump into our code, okay. Sharing the code, okay. Is it visible? Is it visible? Everyone? Okay, screen with screen. Okay, it's visible. Okay, okay. Let's start with the day four. Day four. Okay, going to create a file index.html. HTML. How to import the boilerplate? Just exclamation sign and hit enter. We got the boilerplate. Okay, okay. Like yesterday we created script tag here. Okay, we create script tag here. Script, okay, and then source src equals to, okay. So I'm going to create one another file here, name console learn console, types of console, type of consoles, console.js, okay. Okay, we are creating console.log string hello world, okay. Just link, how to link this file with the our index.html, how to link. Okay, I'll make a full screen. Okay, full screen. Okay, is it visible now properly? Is it visible now? Yes. Okay, okay. Anyone any doubt here? Like how to add import this boilerplate for the HTML? Okay, the script tag we already learned. Okay, created one file with the extension name of JavaScript. It is .js and write the our first code. It is console.log. Okay, console.log and it's a HTML. Okay, I'll just how to link just create a one tab what we say the script tag, okay, and inside it source, and inside that dot slash and our file name, okay. We link successfully, are we link successfully? Okay, how to run, just click on here in reveal in folder explorer, reveal in file explorer, just I went there, file explorer, okay, might be not see, okay. We jumped here and just right click on open with Chrome, or you can directly double click that, okay. Whenever we open with the Chrome, we will here, okay. So why don't we see anything, we need to open our console. So I just right click, inspect console, okay. You can see hello world, you can see hello world. Is it everyone able to see hello world? Is it everyone able to see everyone? Okay. Okay, let's jump into our code. Okay, so we created our first program, okay, console. Okay, so let's start with the our agenda. Okay, what we're going to see today? We are going to see single line, which is already written. Okay, single line text. Okay, second one is multiple line, multiple line, multiple line together, multiple line together, and single variable, And what we're going to see again, multiple variable, multivariable. Okay. And text, sorry, text with variable. Okay. Okay. Let's see one by one. Okay. So this one is our single line. Everyone understand single line console. Okay. We are going to see multiple line. Okay. What is multiple line? Yeah, that's it. Hello world. Welcome. Welcome to. Welcome to. Okay. Just let me properly create properly. Okay. 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 I think everything is possible. Everything is visible now. Okay. 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 Multiple. Okay. Console.log and see JavaScript. JavaScript. Okay. JavaScript. Okay. Okay. So, are we going to see both console? Are we going to see both console? Correct. 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 What is the output? We see JavaScript, and that we see welcome to welcome to welcome to. Okay. Okay. Just let me change the sequence. Okay. We will see welcome to JavaScript. Are we going to? Are we? Okay. Let's just check. Is it okay? Okay, just I need to refresh or reload. I'm just reloading. Okay, welcome to JavaScript. Correct, correct, correct. What if I have only single console? What if I have only single console? Okay, what if I have single console? Okay, okay, I'll see. Okay, let's see third one. Let's see first name, FIRST first, enemy name equals to Rohit. Okay, Rohit. Okay, and console dot log first name. Okay, the first name. Okay. What we're going to see the output? What we are going to see the output? What we are going to see? Just comment this one. Rohit, correct, correct. Rohit, correct, correct. We are going to see the output. Rohit. Mhm. Just 1 second. Okay. Just refresh, reload. Rohit, correct. Rohit. So we see we can single line, multiple line. Okay, multiple line and single variable. We see single variable too. Okay. Multiple variable, simple. Multiple variable like let first name equals to okay. Anybody tell me why it's giving me error? Why it's showing the error? Why it's giving me error? Everybody, everybody. So everyone not able to see the VS code. They're not visible. Okay. Here. Now is it visible? Now is it visible? Correct. Okay. 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 So are we clear about this single variable? Are we clear about the single variable? Yeah. Okay. Are we clear about the single variable? So it's just a single variable, and I just write the console below that. Okay, to see what's inside the first name variable. Okay, then I created second variable, and with the same name. Okay, with the same name. Even it's case sensitive. Even it's exactly same. Why it's giving me error? Why it's giving me error? Everyone, please. Why it's giving me error? Okay, cause let won't recreate you the same variable name. Let didn't let you variable name. Okay. Okay, correct, 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 correct. So I just commenting this one for sake. Okay. Then I create late, last name, Sharma. Okay. And how to console this in single line, single console.log. Okay. We just write first name, comma, last name. Okay. That means comma separated. I can print number of variables. Even I again print first name, it will print first name. Okay, let's see. Okay, semicolon. Let's see the screen. Okay, okay, we are good. Refresh. Okay, Rohit Sharma. It's printing in single line. Project inside single console. So we can write, we can print. Okay, okay. Even I can write multiple times or multiple variables too. Okay, multiple lines with the multiple variables too. Okay, okay. I'm just copy paste here. Copy this, paste here. Then again copy this again and paste here with the comma separated. With the comma separated. If I add space, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's comma separated. Let's see our screen. Okay, I'm just reloading. Reload. You can see Rohit Sharma. Okay, just okay. You can see in a single line. In a single line. Okay, just okay. Now it is visible properly. Okay, Rohit Sharma. Okay, you can see type of console. Okay, I just misspelled this file name .js in 19 line number 19. Okay, just let me create. Just let me. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, rename, rename. Okay, so we change file name here. So we do need to change on index.html too. Do we need to change on window.html too? Correct, correct. If we didn't do that, it will show us error. Okay, let me show you how to show this error. Let me show you how to show this error. How its error look like. Okay, share. Okay, and just I'm reloading. Okay, you can see the error. Can you see the error? File not found. File not found. File not found. Okay, everyone able to see the error, correct? File not found. So we are going to correct this one too. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We just came here. Again import our file from start. File name. Okay. Now it will work. Correct. Now it will work. Okay. So we see the multiple. Okay. Then our another task is text with the variable. Text with the variable. How it's going to text with the variable? I just copy paste this one. Okay. Text with the variable. Okay. Rohit Sharma and okay. Okay. How it will print? Let's see. Console.log. Console.log. Inside this, my first FIR. FIR first name is my first name is comma first name comma first name. Let's see. And last name. My last name is last name. Okay. Let's see what output we will see. Okay. I'm just came here and reload. Okay. You can see first name is Rohit, last name is Sharma. Correct, correct. These are the common consoles because I wanted to see how to console properly. Okay, it's more like it's a life saving for the life saving for the debugging, and the debugging is like you can say the most challenging thing for the developers or most important thing the developers like whole life your or developers whole life goes around the debugging and resolving the problems. Okay, so this is the most effective way to debug the code. Okay, okay, okay. There is a lot of things like we can write this like this too. Okay, this is plus operator. We will see. We will see how it's work. But I'll show. I just wanted to show you once. Okay, paste here and then plus plus last name. We comment this. Okay, is this going to work? Yes, it is going to work. It's a totally valid. It's totally valid. It's a totally valid syntax. We are not showing. Sorry guys, we are not showing. It sometime happen. Okay, okay, okay. Does everyone able to see this? Does everyone able to see this? I just did plus sign. I just did plus sign. I just added plus sign. Yes. Yes, yeah. I just added plus sign. I just added plus sign. Only plus sign. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see, is it going to work or not? Okay, is it going to see? Let's see, is it going to work or not? Okay, okay. Just reload. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working. You can see it's merging. So we just fix this. We just fix this. How to fix this? We just add here, space here, and space here. Let's see again. Let's see again. Just reload. Okay, it's working properly. Fine. Okay, let me just zoom out once. Okay. Still visible. Okay, yeah, still visible. Still visible. Okay. My name is Rohit. My last name is Sama. Okay. Okay. There is another concept is template literal. We will see future classes. Okay. Which is more effective, like for the displaying the things. Okay. Display the things. Okay. 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 So for this, that is only for the. Okay. Let's go to our. Uh, okay. Okay. Document. Yeah. It's a document. Okay. Everyone is visible in the document. Okay. 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 We see how to write the consoles. We see how to write the console. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone? It's too easy. Just a simple app. Okay. Let's see the data types. Okay. Data type, the most important, we can say the topic. So JavaScript uses the two types of data type, which is primitive and non-primitive. So we will see in future non-primitives. These are the primitive data types: number, string, boolean, undefined, and null. Okay. Number, string, boolean, undefined, and null. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Number. Okay, for the number data type, it's a simple whole number, decimal number, positive or negative. That's it. Just a simple. Like you can see the example, age is 17, console.log, my age is age. Okay, we just see how to what we say, how to print this one. Okay, and decimal 99.99. Okay, the price is price. Okay, we will see this example on code. Okay, let's see how to let's see examples on code. Okay, on code. I'm going to create new file. I'm going to create new file, new file. What's its name? Data type, data types dot js. Okay, okay. Let number data type. Okay, number data data type. What is let sorry let age equals to 101 year. Okay, console.log. my age is my age is okay, and then how to write with variable. My age is, we will write comma separated, and age. What it will be print, what will be print? Age. My age is, it will print my age. My age is 100. It will print my age is 100. Correct, correct, correct. Let's see another example. Let what do you say, percent percentage equals to 99.99. Okay, it's a decimal. Okay, it's a decimal. Okay, I'll give the comment here, write the comment here. Decimal. Decimal. Okay, decimal type. It's a whole number. Whole number. It's a whole number. It's a whole number. Okay, it's a decimal type. See, simple. I just percentage. I got percentage. Correct? It will print, it will print 99.99. Correct? It will print 99.99. Don't forget semicolons. Don't forget semicolons. It's a good practice. It is a good practice. Don't forget semicolons. Okay. Can we good to go for the console? Any error here? Any error? Any error here? No? 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 Correct, correct, correct. Let's see our output. Okay. Let's see our output. Let's see our output. I just need to right click, or I can from reload from here too. Okay. Okay. What happened? Why it's not output? Why we are not able to see the output? Why we are not able to see output? Anyone? Anyone? Can't we do it without it? What without it? Okay. So why it's not लिंक नहीं किया? करेक्ट, 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 लिंक नहीं किया, करेक्ट, लिंक नहीं किया, करेक्ट, करेक्ट, करेक्ट. Let's go and link this data type.js. Okay, we just create a script tag inside that src, and then link our new file. Correct? We just link and save the file. We just save the file. Okay. Now let's see the output. Let's see the output. Let's see the output. Okay. Just reload. Okay. You can see my age is 101 percentage. I got 99.99. It's a number data type. Okay. It's a number data type. Okay. 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 What's next? Number data type. And then after that, a string data. Okay. A string data type. So string data type, what do we say? The text value only. Only text value, or you can say the sequence of a character, which include letters, numbers, symbol. Numbers, numbers again. But numbers के लिए तो हमारे पास में already है ना? क्या है? Number data type है ना? But inside the string, inside the, what we say, double inverted comma, single inverted comma, or backticks. Or backticks. What is backticks? You can see in your keyboard below the escape button or left side of your one digit button. Okay, in your keyboard, backtick. It's a backtick. So between these, everything considered as a string. Everything considered as a string for the JavaScript. For the JavaScript. Let's see. Let's see. We have two example here. Okay. So basic string only, basic string, and the string containing number. String containing number. Okay. For example, number plate. If I wanted to like show the or use the number plate, any vehicle number plate, so it's contain text plus letter. Correct? Text plus letter, text plus letter. Okay, it's VS Code is not showing. Yeah, actually. Okay, okay, just focus on here. Okay, text plus number. Okay, okay. Is it clear for the string? Any doubt? Is it clear for the string? Any doubt? No, no, no. Correct. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go on our VS Code and just do this example. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Can we copy this from here? That that's not good. Okay. Okay. Data types. Okay. We see whole numbers. I'm just going to comment this. Okay. How to comment multiple line at single? Just select and control forward slash. Control forward slash. It will comment. Control forward slash. It will comment. Okay. 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 String data type. String data types. How many types? Generally, simple, simple string, and containing contain numbers. Okay. Example, vehicle number plate, vehicle number plate, or address. Like we have address, pin code, and house number, plot number, flat number, right? Correct, correct. So, this is going to see let let greeting. Okay, greeting. Write greeting. Hello, JavaScript. Java, JavaScript. Okay, console dot log. Okay, let's see hello class. Okay, and create a variable one. Okay, let language. Language. Okay, okay. Here is the one concept. Okay, language JavaScript. Okay, console greeting, greeting, comma language. Okay, what will be print? What will give us a print? Let's see. What will get print on console? Let's go to the screen. I'm just right click reload. Hello class JavaScript, correct? Hello. Actually, I need to reframe properly, but yeah, it's hello class JavaScript. It's a simple string. It's a simple string. Okay. Let's go. Go with the comment this one now. Okay, let it be. Okay. Let vehicle vehicle equals to what do you say? Alto. Okay. And let RC, sorry, RC number, registration number, MH01 VH, wait properly, MH01 VH0001. Okay, 001. Okay, let's see. Console.log, okay, vehicle. Okay, let's frame properly. My vehicle, vehicle is plus vehicle plus string and number RC registration registration. Okay, registration certificate is RC, sorry, RC number. Correct. What output we will get? What output we will get? Yeah, output we will get output. My vehicle is Alto. RC is the string, okay, containing number. Okay, let's just make it more proper visible. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see. Okay, not showing vias. Okay, yaar, I don't know what happening today. Yaar. Sorry, sorry. I think something is okay. Just I'll give you recap. Okay, I'll give you recap. Okay. Just manage today. I'll fix it. I'll fix it for today only. Just okay. Just manage. Okay. Okay. We see simple string. We see simple string. We see simple string. We see simple string. Correct. Anything? Any doubt here? Any doubt here? And containing number. And containing number. It's just the containing number like vehicle number plate. Okay. Just I created vehicle variable and the another variable with the RC number with the number plate variables with the letters and variables. Correct. Okay. And what will the output will get? You will get my vehicle is Alto because of we have value Alto and then vehicle then RC. Okay. What if I change here? Okay. What if I change here? Vehicle equals to Audi, Audi and RC number equals to let's write something. Uh, Notice DL 01 CH CH, okay, CJ 999. Okay, okay, okay. What will be output now? What will be output? Is it going to print this one or is it going to print this one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? What output will we see? Which output we will see? Which output will we see? Or which output we will see? Or D or this one? Which output will we see? Second one, first one, second one, first one, second one, first one. Okay, let's see. Second one or first one. Let's see. Second one or first one. Okay. Okay. See. Let's see. Let's see. I just came here and type reload. Okay. Why? 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 Because we didn't link our data type. That's okay. We linked data type, but why it's not working? Data types.js, data types.js, data type.js, data type.js. Everything is correct. Data type.js. Data, data, hello, hello. Everything is correct. Data type.js, data type.js. Anyone see any error here? Anyone see any error here? Any error? Any error? Okay, we have got here. What is the error? Cannot is not defined at what is not defined? What is not defined? Line number 27. Line number 27. Let's see what's in line number 27. Let's see. Let's see what's in line number 27. Line number 27 or. We write or in between, but we didn't mention what it is. Like you can see JavaScript just of error, like what it is or. बताओ भाई क्या है और नहीं बता पा रहे हो हम आपको आप देंगे एरर करेक्ट 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 चलो देखते हैं अभी एरर देता है क्या आए रिलोड किए एरर दिया नहीं और हमें क्या आउटपुट मिला ऑडी ऑडी और डीएल 999 ओके डीएल 999 ओके क्यों क्योंकि हमने क्या किए व्हाट वी डिड हमने क्या किया इसको अपडेट कर दिया हमारे वेरिएबल को कहाँ पर यहाँ पर ओके अगर हम ऐसा करें तो चलो इसको कॉपी करते हैं यहाँ डालते हैं ठीक है ऊपर ओके और अभी ट्राई करते हैं इसको हम कंसोल कर देते हैं फिलहाल। ठीक है अब क्या प्रिंट होगा अब क्या प्रिंट होगा अब क्या प्रिंट होगा फर्स्ट वन फर्स्ट वन फर्स्ट वन लेट्स सी चलो देखते हैं क्या प्रिंट होगा फर्स्ट वन फ्रेश ओके माय व्हीकल अच्छा ये हटा देंगे हम अल्टो ओके अल्टो फिर आरसी और फिर एज ठीक है सही से लिखे नहीं हम तो सो डिडंट राइट करेक्टली ओके स्पेस हियर 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 और कहाँ से सर हमारे पास ओके अब सही से दिखेगा कंट्रोल एस और जस्ट सेव ओके यहाँ पे आए रिलोड किए करेक्ट सही से हो गया सही से अभी हम कहाँ आएंगे हम अभी काम करेंगे इसे भी अब क्या प्रिंट होगा अब क्या प्रिंट होगा अब क्या प्रिंट होगा व्हाट विल बी प्रिंट व्हाट विल बी प्रिंट व्हाट विल बी आउटपुट व्हाट विल बी आउटपुट करेक्ट 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 लेट्स सी what will be the output share and right click reload correct my vehicle and correct both because we return console two consoles right पहला ऊपर लिखा फर्स्ट वन एंड देन सेकंड वन राइट ओके लेट्स गो एनी क्वेश्चन एनी क्वेश्चन एनी क्वेश्चन एनी क्वेश्चन इट्स इट लाइक एनीवन एनी हाउ डाउट ओके चलो 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 बहुत इजी है अभी फिलहाल तो इजी चल रहे हैं हम काफी इजी है ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है है ना चलो 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 फिलहाल ठीक है ओके, आगे क्या है हमारे पास और, चलो देखते हैं। ओके, देन टाइप ऑफ। टाइप ऑफ क्या है? एक रिजर्व कीवर्ड है, एक टूल है जावास्क्रिप्ट की तरफ से हमें मिलता है, जो हमें यूज करने देता है या चेक करने देता है कि टाइप क्या है। ओके, कि किस टाइप का वेरिएबल हम यूज कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, ये आगे में बहुत काम आएगा। लाइक इट, लाइक टाइप ऑफ गिव यू द पावर दैट helps you to understand which type you are using on the variable. Okay, it's a dynamic type assign, like JavaScript have the power, like it will be dynamically assign the type of the variable, but it will give you the power to check the data type of the variable, which is type of, which is type of. Let's see. We already created the number of examples. We just check their type of. Okay, okay. We just check their type of. Okay. So here, we just check type of. Okay, we just check type of one by one. Okay, we just check type of one by one. You just need to write. Okay, we will create from scratch. Okay, we just type console.log type of, space greetings, type of space greeting. I'll just comment everything below that for as of now. Okay. Okay. What is hello class? Okay. Hello class language. Okay. And language. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is our document. I just came right to reload. Okay. Can see string. Correct. String. Let's just frame it properly. Let's just frame it properly. Uh, Greeting, comma, language. Okay, we will write proper message. Okay, we will write proper message. We will use power of console. We will use power of console. Console.log my type of type of type of plus plus. Okay, we use comma separator. Type of greeting. Okay, then is, then comma. Type of greeting is, type of comma greeting is type of, type of greeting. Anyone any doubt in this line? Anyone any doubt in this line? It should not be, but yeah. Anyone as of now? Anyone? Anyone? No, no, no. Okay, okay. 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 Let's see the output. Let's jump into our output console. Okay, just reload. Okay. Hello. Type class is, hello class is, type of hello class is string. Okay. Let me just correct properly. Type of class, type of, greeting is greeting. Let's see. Let's see. Type of is string is reload. Type of hello class is string. Okay. 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 Let's use this type of on. Just let me comment this one too. Comment this one too. Okay. 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 Let's use on number two. Okay. Let's use on number two. Just comment this one. Okay. Type of, type space type of, type of. Here too. Type of, type of. Okay. 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 Type of marriages and type of percentage. Let's just jump into our code. Okay, what I written? Everyone see? Okay, what I have written? What I have written? Just write a console. Okay, type of age is type of variable and type of percentage and type of variable. Okay, 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 okay. Just scan into here and reload. Okay, type of age is number, type of percentage is number. Okay, type of, I think everyone just understand the power of type of. Correct, correct, correct. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? No, 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 no. Okay, 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 okay. What we have next? Let's see what we have next. Okay, type of and then boolean. Boolean just simple. True and false. Okay, just two value, true and false. Like it's more powerful. Even like it's a decision maker. Super simple but incredible power. Like okay, with decision making things will help us. Like is it true or false? Okay, we will see in conditional statements. Okay, so boolean logical and conditional boolean power of a boolean in logical and conditional programming. Okay, okay, just it's a simple code. I'll show you just true and false. Nothing. Boolean data type. Boolean data type. Okay, console.log boolean data types. Okay, boolean data types. Let let is 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 example example is a student or not, student or not, student is a student, is student true, true. We don't use any string, anything. Okay, uh console.log student, sorry, is student. Okay, and type of student, type of student. Let's see what we'll get, what we will get. Okay, control S, save the file, jump to our browser, just refresh. Okay, what we get? Boolean types, it's true. Okay, and boolean. Student is true and boolean. Let's just frame it properly. Let's just frame it properly. Let's just frame it properly. How to frame it? Just comma separated is is person is student. This person is student. Okay. Let's see what we get. Control S, save the file, then reload. Okay, this person is student. True. It is student and type is boolean. Okay. Okay. Same for the false. Same for the false. Same for the false. If I write here false, okay. If I write false, false. If I write false, it will work same. It will work same. Correct. It will work same. Let's see. Reload. It's boolean. It's false. Okay. We will see after like in future like how it will work. How it, what its power. Okay. What its power. Okay. It's true. True and false. Okay. True and false. True and false. Okay. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? No, no, no. Okay, okay. What we have? Undefined and null. Undefined and null. It's also a powerful thing. Uh, for as of now, just I wanted to give you the idea that undefined and null is exist. Okay, just simple thing. Undefined means absence of value or declared but not assigned. Okay, not yet assigned. Not yet assigned. Okay, let's see how it will look and how it will be used in our code. Okay. Okay. I just comment this one as of now. Okay. Okay. Just create boolean. Sorry, undefined, undefined and null, or undefined and null. Okay. Console.log. I just copy paste this one again inside string. Okay. Undefined and null. Okay. Just focus. It's like more important topic here. Okay. Just focus. Okay. Let name equals to name. I just created let name. Okay. And I'm consoling before that. Like I'm consoling before that name, before that declaration. Okay. Console.log. Okay. Console.log. What is the name? Okay. I'm just printing the name. Okay. Yeah. The name. Yeah. Just it's a VS Code error. Like it's a VS Code. Just ignore. We will use another thing like, okay, first name. First name. We will use first name. Okay. We will use first name. But we already have created first name, so we will create or we will create address. Address. Okay, we will create address. Just what will be happen here? What will happen here? What will happen here? We console address with console address before its initialization. Before its initialization, or before its declaration. We can say before its declaration. Okay. Okay. What will happen here? What will happen here? What will happen here? What will happen here? Can I get a console? Did I get the console? Did I get the console? Output? What is the output? What will be the output? What will be the output? What will be the output? It's undefined. It will be okay. So let's see. I just added the address. Address. Um, Gurgaon. Okay. I just added Gurgaon. Okay. Okay. What will be the output? It will give us a output Gurgaon. Gurgaon. Let's see. Save. It to the our console. Reload. What is it? Cannot address before initialization. Cannot access the address before initialization. Okay. So you understand? You understand? Do you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? JavaScript always run code line by line. JavaScript always run a code or compile a code line by line. It will read, it come here and then console this one, then come here and try to console this one. But he didn't find address, and then he throw a error. Then JavaScript throw a error. You can see we can see the in which line it's showing us error. In data type.js file, line number 43. Line number 43. Just let's just fix this. We just took that and added before console. Added before console. Okay, added before console, and then it will give us the proper output, right? Then it will give us the proper output. Just reload. Just reload. Okay, it will give us proper output. Okay, undefined and null, and then Gurgaon. Correct? And then Gurgaon. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see one thing. I just initialize. Sorry, I just what do we say? I just created. Okay, I just defined. I just defined the variable and then try to console. I didn't initialize any. Sorry, I just initialized. I didn't assign any value. I just initialized the variable but didn't assign any value. What will happen? What will happen? What is the output in that case? What is the output in that case? Just reload. It's undefined. It's undefined. Means if you created a variable, you just initialize the variable and didn't assign anything, it's considered as a undefined. It's considered as a undefined, like it don't have any value. It's considered as a undefined by, or it is undefined for the JavaScript. Okay. 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 That's why I just wanted to show you the undefined. Okay. If I created address or a city, okay, I just created city and tried to console the city. What will be the output? What is the value inside the city? 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 Let's just see what is the value inside the city. Just reload. Undefined. undefined, undefined. What's happening here? What's happening here? Just, I'll show you what happening here. When we create inside, inside, inside our, okay, just let me change the color. Okay, correct color. Okay, when we inside our JavaScript memory, inside our JavaScript memory, inside our JavaScript, when we create a variable name city, it will create a box and name it, city, and name it city. And when we create a second box for address, it will name is address. Okay, but did we assign any value? No. So for the sake of time, JavaScript. Okay, I didn't share the screen for the, right. It's just a output screen. Okay, it's a console screen. We are still on console screen. It will undefine. Okay, it will undefine. It will undefine. It will undefine. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it will undefine. Okay, and let's see the concept for the null. What is null? What is the difference between null and undefined? Difference between null and undefined. Okay, null is like intentionally we assign null. Intentionally we assign null. Okay, just let me create another example for this. Okay, null, for the null. Okay, for the null. Okay, let me just comment this first. Okay, intentionally assigning a null. Cause why? Sometimes we need a variable in future, but as of now it should be run. It should be run. It didn't throw any error, or I just don't want undefined inside that. I just want it like a game. Right, we see the example of a game, right? So in that game, the scoreboard is initially, when we, before creating or before start the game, like a subway surfer, before start the game, do you think the scoreboard show the zero? Do you think? Do you think? Do you think? Do you think programmer added the value zero? Do you think, like inside the score, like a scoreboard? Do you think developers added the value zero? Because it will take the memory. It will take the memory. But yeah, they added null. They added null, or we can say the value which is change of data type to data type, like two types of data type. Okay, so it will changing, like first it's a number, like 24, and then it will change to the something like a city. Okay, anything. So that's why we created the null. Okay, for as of now, just understand this thing. It's a null which is intentionally given value. Inside does don't have any value, but intentionally we give the null because we don't want undefined. Okay, as of now only understand this thing. Okay, yeah, it's a predefined. Yeah, it's a predefined. We just define it. Okay, it's a predefined, and we using null. Okay, okay, okay. I think we good to go see our output. Okay, reload. Okay, what is the data type refers as something we written wrong in our code. Where we have written wrong something? Where we written line number 53. Line number 53. Line number 53. What did we written wrong? 53, 45, 53. Address. Okay. We try to console address. We don't have address. Okay. Okay. What was the error? What was the error? I didn't read the error. What was the error? Address is not defined. Address is not defined. So I just fix that. Okay. And reload. Okay. Null, null, correct? Null and null. Okay. Okay. Even you can see the difference. It's a console and it's a value. It's a console and it's a variable value. Okay. It's a clear see. You can see the clear difference in color. Okay. 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 So I think we good to go for our next. Okay. Just a quick recap. Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. We covered number. We covered number. Okay. We covered string. We covered boolean, null, undefined. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So about the quiz, we don't have any time for the quiz. I'll post the quiz on group. Okay. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you, I'm not going to share you the daily what we say, the link for the class daily. Just join the group or join the channel and just save the link. Okay. Save the link. The today's class link is like I'll sharing you again. Okay. Today, just save the today's class link. Okay. It will recurring. Okay, it's recurring class here, it's recurring class. Okay, just save this link, save this link, and join on time, and join on time. Okay, tomorrow we will see the operators and arithmetical operators and logical operators. Okay, then okay, any doubt, anyone, any doubt? I'll just give you, let you unmute yourself. Yeah. Okay, does anyone need doubt? Does anyone have any doubt?
हेलो
Okay,
सर।
just save. Yeah.
सर हम जैसे VS कोड में भी कंसोल होता है ना, तो हम वहां से
देख
मतलब
सकते हैं,
एग्जीक्यूट
बिल्कुल
नहीं कर
वीएस कोड में भी
सकते?
कंसोल होता है। करेक्ट, करेक्ट, वीएस कोड में भी कंसोल होता है, बट वीएस कोड का जो कंसोल होता है वो छोटा होता है। करेक्ट, इट्स अ स्मॉलर इन साइज, सो दैट्स व्हाई डेवलपर डिडंट यूज। ओके, वी यूज, वी कैन सी द कंसोल हियर। ओके, आई जस्ट
हम
वांटेड।
सर वहां से भी एग्जीक्यूट करें कर सकते हैं
या
जैसे
या 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 जैसे
मीन्स
आई टेल
हमको
यू,
यहाँ पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी?
okay, but in future when we learn starting like a button on click or other things, right? तो हमें HTML की जरूरत पड़ेगी। करेक्ट,
ओके।
so that's why making use to, because in industry no one uses this console. In industry you will see only 5% like 2 to 5% people use this debugging console. Rather
व्हाट्सएप।
than in industries, the developers didn't use this debugging console. They didn't use this debugging console in JavaScript, especially in JavaScript. I can't say about the other languages. Okay, but in JavaScript, developer didn't use this console for
देन
teaching purpose or learning purpose. They can use, for the development. They didn't use this.
सर विच कंसोल दे विल यूज?
They use browser console. What
ओके।
we are talking right now. They use browser console because browser
यू
console give you the more power. Okay, they give you
दैट
more power. Okay.
वी यूज डेली यू
Yeah,
टीच।
daily in every 10 minutes and every hour. Okay, while developing, console is your best friend to write a code. Console is your best friend to write a code. Okay, इसके अलावा दूसरा कोई आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं है। एक सेकंड मैं दिखा देता
कंपनी
हूँ
में
आप।
भी ऐसे ही यूज कर देंगे जैसे हम कर रहे हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, जैसे हम आज हमने जैसे डिबग किया कि कौन से लाइन पे कौन सा एरर आ रहा है, विच
हाँ।
एरर इन विच लाइन एंड व्हाट दिस एरर सेइंग, द सेम थिंग डेवलपर्स यूज। ओके।
सर इसको प्लीज रेक्टिफाई कीजिए, जैसे
हाँ मैं
जो है
जस्ट करके दिखाता हूँ आपको, है
होल
ना, मैं जस्ट करके
स्क्रीन
दिखाता
आप कर
हूँ।
सकते हो,
मैं
होल स्क्रीन
आपको,
मतलब
हाँ,
दोनों भी सब कुछ दिखे।
ओके ओके ओके। नाउ
क्योंकि
We also
VS
have
Code. Hmm.
Big Int, right? Big Int is
We
also one
also
of
have
the.
Begin. We also have lot of, I just didn't cover like more than 4 to 5 data types currently. Okay, we will see one by one in future. Okay, big int, you can say the big int in my life, like 5 years of experience, I used only once. Okay, so big int
नल सर।
not that much important, but you need to have the little bit idea. So we will cover in future. Okay, for the sake of idea. Okay, and we have
Yeah,
like,
will you also be teaching about promises?
yeah, we're going to see like if else everything, how JavaScript work deep down into like event loops, global execution, like for the like, मैं कह रहा हूँ आपको, ऐसा अभी तक के आपको किसी ने नहीं सिखाया होगा या आपने कहीं देखा नहीं होगा। इवन 4 5 साल एक्सपीरियंस, इवन 4 to 5 year experience, people don't know how event loop going to work, how execution context will work, how JavaScript handle a line by line execution. Okay, I'm just teaching you from the basic, because we have the peoples who even don't know
सर
how to write.
सिलेबस कहाँ
How,
मिलेगा?
sorry?
वेयर विल आई गेट द
Yeah, it
सिलेबस?
will take like 7 days to 15 days. It depends on how the everyone just responds
नो
on
सर,
the.
मीन्स आई वांट टू नो सिलेबस।
Okay, in syllabus, just check on our channel. Haven't you joined the channel? We already shared there like syllabus, how 7 week Course is
Uh,
designed.
will you cover the projects also, no?
Yeah, I'm going to cover the three projects too, 3 to 4 projects. Projects.
Okay.
Okay. Daily quiz link. I'll share daily quiz link. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I said already that I will join at 8:30. It will be fine, sir, because
Like
uh,
it's everything depends on you. Okay. I'll just want to make sure because most of the people join on 8. Okay, and our
okay,
class
but
timing is 8.
I have another class now, so that's
Yeah. I can understand. We have
please
another class,
understand.
but we have commitment for the 8, so we need to start with the 8. And if you
Okay,
join late, it doesn't matter. It doesn't affect that much. Okay. So
it
please,
will.
guys,
I will manage,
go
sir.
to the.
Will manage.
Okay, we have. Yeah. Just complete your thing. Okay.
Okay.
We are also uploading the class, sessions on YouTube. Okay. So you can go and watch. Okay, for the time sake we are uploading for the better understanding for the basics. Okay, after that when we jump into the advanced, so we will not going to give you the videos on one, like after the 3 days we will upload on after the 3 days. Okay, we want your attention on class. Okay, for those who are not able to join, just ping me, I'll share you separately. Okay, but for the sake, like for the starting, we will sharing everything. Okay. Okay. Akash Kulkarni, thank you. Thank you.